Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 12 series. So today we'll be looking into necessity of organizing for successful management. Now, what is organizing? Organizing is the process of allocating work, authority and resources among organization's members so as to achieve the organization's goals efficiently and effectively. There are few steps in organizing. Recognizing of the tasks. The first step to be done in organizing is identification of functions to be performed and job designing to achieve goals of the organization. Division of work. Next step is division of work by dividing the entire workload into small and simple tasks to make them easy for each employee to perform. This is working towards job specialization. Departmentalization. The process of grouping the jobs using common features of the tasks of an organization is meant by departmentalization. Now let's look into few bases on which departmentalization can take place. Functional basis, product basis, consumer basis, geographical basis, mixed basis, process basis, matrix basis. Delegation of authority and responsibility. The right to perform many functions to command or to distribute resources is known as authority. This is something that can be delegated by one to another within the organization. Responsibility is to be accountable, having duty to deal with or of having control over someone. Determining the standards of work. Explaining of what, how and when, which are relevant to working procedures is known as standardization of work. Allocation of resources. Provision of required resources in required quantities at required times to perform the functions of an organization is meant by allocation of resources. Coordination. The process of integrating the work and objectives in separate units in order to achieve the goals of the organization efficiently. An organization can achieve its objectives easily by performing all the functions related to organizing.
Created using Powtoon.
So why organizing is necessary to an organization? It assists in achieving the goals and objectives of an organization. It becomes the base to implement the plans successfully. Ability to improve productivity due to division of work according to job specialization. Ability to get work done successfully through delegation of authority and responsibilities. Ability to get the maximum use of the resources through allocating resources required to perform the function. A coordination is created among individuals, groups, and departments since all organizational activities are directed towards its goals. So that's it with this video guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.